all students. Today we are starting again class 12th biology chapter 25 Axitry system of human, and today's topic is disorder related to excretion. Disorders related to excretion. Once again, today we are starting again class 12th biology chapter 25 Axitry system of human, and today's topic is disorders related to excretion. So topic is disorders related to excretion. Students, excretion is a biotic process. It means complete in living organism. In this biotic process, to excrete out the nitrogenous waste from the body is called excretion. Once again, excretion is a biotic process complete in living organism. In this process, to excrete out the nitrogenous waste from the body is called excretion. Next is irregularities in the process of excretion in human create several diseases like first is dysuria. Urea, it is a nitrogenous substance of human. Next, pain at the time passing urine is called dysuria. Once again, pain at the passing urine is called dysuria. Next is oliguria. Next is oliguria. Students, it is nitrogenous substance of human. It is less, or oligo means less. It is nitrogenous substance of human. So in this disease, urine amounts less. Once again, oligo, it means less. So in this disease, urine amount is less. Next is polyuria. It is nitrogenous substance of human. It is it means increase or excess. Oligo means less, so poly means excess or increase. So in this disease, once again, in this disease, urine amounts excess or increase. Next is protein urea. It means if protein content are found in urea in maximum amount, it is called protein urea. It means increase of protein quantity more than normal is known as protein urea. Once again, increase the protein quantity more than normal is known protein urea. Next is ketonuria. It means increase the ketone bodies more than in normal, so it is called ketonuria. Increase quantity of ketones like acetic acid in urine is called ketonuria. Next is hematuria. Passing out, it means RBC. Passing out of RBC, it means red blood corpuscles in urine known as hematuria. Next is hemoglobin urea. It is conjoined protein, it is respiratory pigment found in RBC, but passing out hemoglobin in urine, so it is called hemoglobin urea. Or presence of hemoglobin in urine is called hemoglobin urea. Next is pyuria. Presence of pus cell in urine is called pyuria. Presence of pus cell in urine is called pyuria. Next is gout disease. Students, it is a important disease related to excretion. First, it is a hereditary disease. It means genetic disease. Once again, it is a genetic or hereditary disease. Next, in this disease, or in which disease uric acid increase in blood which collects in joints and kidney tissue. Once again, it is genetic or hereditary disease. Next, increase the uric acid amount and collects in joints part like knee joint, elbow joint, tarsals joints, metatarsals joint. Next is kidney stones. It means tumor like structures form in kidney. It means it is main excretory organ. Mostly calcium oxalate once again, mostly calcium oxalate. Next, phosphate salt and uric acid crystal. Once again, mostly calcium oxalate, phosphate salts and uric acid crystal. Deposit into renal. It is a scientific name of kidney, renal pelvis. In the form of stone. Next is uremia. It is important disease related to excretion. When a blood amount of urea increases from 10 mg per 100 ml, then the state is known as uremia. Once again, when a blood amount of urea increase from 10 mg per 100 million per 100 ml, this state is called uremia. Next is jaundice. It is a common disease. First, presence of excessive bile pigments in urine is called jaundice. Normally, jaundice disease create when the hepatic duct are closed. Next is Bright disease. It is also known nephritis disease. Nephritis disease. Sometimes the streptococci bacteria to infect glomerular part, so the inflammation creating in glomerular part. This disease is called Bright disease. This disease caused is caused by the infection of bacteria like streptococci in glomerulus. So the protein, it means blood protein, and RBC protein and RBC also sieve out in the filtrate. Normally protein and RBC could not filtrate, but in this disease protein and RBC filtrate. If RBC presence in urine, it is called hematuria. Protein presence in urine, proteinuria. Next is when nephritis leads or brightitis leads to edema or dropsy. Their disease name, edema or dropsy, are disease name due to deposition of fluids in the tissues and the legs swell. It means deposition of fluids in leg part, in tissue part. So legs and tissue become inflamed. Next disease is alactonuria. It is a specific disease, alactonuria. Students, presence of alactone, it is chemical substance or homogenesic acid in urine is called alactonuria. Next, when alepno is in contact with air, once again, when the alepno contact with air, the urine shows black color. So this is also called black urine disease. Once again, next last disease is alkalinuria. When the presence of alkano and alkane or homogenetic acid in urine is called alkalinuria. When the electron contact with air, the urine show black in color. So this disease is called black urine disease. And next disease is diabetes insipidus and diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus is also known glucosuria. Students, diabetes insipidus and diabetes mellitus we studied in endocrine system chapter. So last is glucosuria or glycosuria. It means increase the sugar level in blood. Presence of sugar in urine, presence of sugar in urine and excretion is called glycosuria. This disease caused by lack of insulin. This disease caused by the lack, it means lack of insulin hormone. And glycosuria, it is also known diabetes mellitus. So diabetes mellitus and diabetes insipidus disease we studied in endocrine system in details. So students, some specific disease like gout, uremia, pyuria, dysuria, britis, alkalinuria. Once again, gout, uremia, brites, pyuria, dysuria and alkalinuria, they are specific and important disease related to excretion. So thanks, have a nice day.